Welcome to Relis Academy, where you master French and pass your TCF with confidence. Most students fail the TCF not because of grammar, but because their French sounds too basic. In this video, I will help you learn the essential French expressions to improve your speaking and your writing. Let's start with how to express your opinion. À mon avis means in my opinion. So it is very useful in the TCF. Example, à mon avis, apprendre le français est essentiel aujourd'hui. So you use this instead of constantly repeating je pense que so as to sound more advanced. Selon moi is another way to give your opinion. Example, selon moi, cette solution est efficace. This expression is slightly more formal and perfect for writing. Il me semble que is a more advanced way to express your opinion. Example, il me semble que ce problème est important. This makes you sound very natural and fluent. Now, let's look at how to agree and disagree. Je suis d'accord avec means I agree with. Example, je suis d'accord avec cette idée. Par contre is used to introduce contrast. For example, par contre, cette solution est coûteuse. To support your ideas, you need reasons and examples. Parce que means because. For example, je préfère étudier seul parce que c'est plus efficace. Par exemple helps you give examples. For example, par exemple, les étudiants travaillent beaucoup. Grâce à is used for positive results. Examiners expect you use phrases like grâce à to give reasons. For example, grâce à Internet, on apprend facilement. Now, structuring your answer is very important in TCF. These expressions help you organize your ideas. D'abord, first of all, ensuite, then, enfin, finally. For example, d'abord, analyser. D'abord, analyser les résultats. Ensuite, proposer. Ensuite, proposer les solutions. Enfin, concluez. Cependant is used to introduce contrast. For example, cependant, cette solution a des limites. En résumé is used to conclude. For example, en résumé, cette solution est efficace. Now, let's practice like in the TCF exam. Here is your topic. Les réseaux sociaux sont-ils utiles? Now let's treat this topic together. Les réseaux sociaux sont-ils utiles? À mon avis, les réseaux sociaux sont utiles parce qu'ils permettent de communiquer facilement. Cependant, ils peuvent être une distraction. En résumé, tout dépend de l'utilisation. Now I'm going to explain briefly. À mon avis, the one highlighted on green, is used to express your opinion. And your opinion is les réseaux sociaux sont utiles. It's useful. Okay? Then parce que is used to support your idea, the opinion you've expressed. Parce que quoi? Ils permettent de communiquer facilement. It helps us to communicate easily. Okay? Cependant, now you want to put a contrast. You want to introduce a contrast. Cependant, ils peuvent être une distraction. However, they can bring about distraction. It can be a distraction. And then to conclude, en résumé, tout dépend de l'utilisation. To conclude, all depends on the use. To succeed in TCF, you don't need difficult French. You just need the right expressions. Subscribe to Relis Academy for more structured TCF lessons and check the full playlist to continue learning.